So we have our ready meat from yesterday. So I want to show you the things that I use for the recipe. Okay, bear with me. I have garlic, ginger, and onion for this recipe, and honey. So after you finish and you get your jar like that, you put all these things that I just mentioned, and then you take 1 teaspoon like this. Okay, early in the morning with empty stomach. Okay, then you drink it. Okay, you take like 1 hour or something like that before you can eat, you know, and if you can go more, you know, that's fine. So you see how it is: ginger, garlic, and red onion, and honey. You see, so it's gonna sit there. Every morning you take a teaspoon like this, then you zip it in. Okay, so here we go, the things that you need for this recipe. Okay, pure honey. Make sure you have a pure honey. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.